lot of people really do know how to paint.
Right.
They can't paint, but they understand the concept and they know about the prep work.
Right.
And when they see, and a lot of people care about their house, and they see that, okay, if you're going to do this and this, and well, he didn't say that to me, and you know, they can detect that. And I get that. On these flyers, we put down how we work, and with this sanding between coats and filling the cracks. And people, when I go out to talk to them, and we're done with the conversation, or when we get the job, and how did we do it, you know, and how'd you find us, whatever. They'll mention those things, you know, that we need. We wanted a good job, and we felt comfortable because you said you do that, and then you did it. I think if you stay positive, and just hammer away at what you do, then it works, because they can really judge it on their own.